In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to reset your AirPods from the previous owner. So every time you open up your AirPods, you do not see, for example, the previous owner's name in here, and so it doesn't connect automatically to the previous device which was already set up. For example, these AirPods in here are already set up and configured to work with this iPhone. If I keep two iPhones here side to side and I simply open up these AirPods, they're gonna connect automatically to this one because it's already synced and paired. Now I'm gonna show you how to disconnect, reset your AirPods, and remove all the previous settings and data from your previous owner that were stored here within your AirPods device. Now this is super useful, especially if you're buying secondhand AirPods. For example, let's say that you've just bought the AirPods from Facebook Marketplace and you simply want to configure it with your iPhone. You want to make it your own AirPods. You want to configure it with your own settings and preferences. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech-related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It also helps me out. Now, in order to reset the AirPods from the previous owner, we do have different methods, and I'm going to show you all the methods in here. Now, the very first method will work if you have the phone of that specific owner. Okay, for example, this is the phone, it's already linked. I'm going to show you how to unpair, disconnect, and reset it. So all you want to do in here is open the case, hop into settings real quick, and then once you're here, you want to scroll down, tap on Bluetooth real quick, and then you'll be able to see in here the AirPods connected. You just want to scroll down all the way and search for AirPods. You've got in here Walter's AirPods Pro. These are the AirPods that I've got in here. As you can see, it will show connected. Simply tap on I real quick, and then next up you'll be brought in here to all the settings related to the AirPods case. Now all you want to do is simply scroll down all the way here to the option where we do have disconnect and forget this device. So all you want to do in here is simply tap on forget this device, and then tap on forget device, and then forget device, and this device will completely be erased from these AirPods. As you can see, now we do have the white blinking color in here, which means that it wants to connect to a brand new iPhone, right? As you can see in here, if I open the case, you'll be able to pair it into any new device that you wish to connect. Okay, it's going to show it up as a brand new AirPod case. Now, if you do not have access to the previous owner's device, you can also reset it here manually in a much advanced way from your AirPods itself. Okay, now first things first, I would recommend you guys to charge your AirPods for approximately 20 minutes because you don't know how much charge it has. And sometimes when you perform or attempt the reset while your AirPods are low in battery, this may create a bug or a glitch with the AirPods. I've heard it a lot before, and then one side might not be playing for a while till you update or anything like that. So all you want to do is charge it for 20 minutes just to ensure that we do have a good level of battery here. Next up, you want to simply open up the case and then flip it back. If you do have AirPods with a physical button at the back, simply press and hold that specific button for a couple seconds, probably 15 to 20 seconds, and then once this light in here, this LED light starts blinking amber or orange color, you're gonna release that button. There we go. In just a few more seconds, there we go, amber light, release the button and let it restart it on its own. As you can see, now that we've done this, every time you try to open up your case, you'll be able to see an option to connect it as a brand new AirPods. Now if you do have AirPods, much recent model of AirPods without the physical button at the back, all you want to do is simply open up and then double tap 3 times in here. This is how it goes. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Now you'll be able to see the amber color in here blinking, and you can now connect from scratch. Now please note that this is something that you need to perform in here with the same speed that I've made it. For example, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Do not wait a lot of time during the break period between the double taps, otherwise it won't understand as a reset option. Now, as you can see in here, we've just reset, and every time I open it, it's going to say connect to AirPods Pro. We do not have any custom name anymore. We do not have any other information in here. We're connecting it from scratch, and even if I tap on connect, you'll see that I'm going to be asked the settings that I wish to configure in here with my own custom settings. So this is how you can actually reset from the previous owner. Now, next up, you simply want to configure in here the settings. I'm going to tap on not now again. I'm going to tap on not now, not now, but you can actually configure all these settings. Now, as you can see in here, I'm going to tap on done. Next up, we'll tap on settings real quick. And then here we've got the AirPods. Simply tap in here. As you can see, we do have a no name or a different name in here that shows up at the top. Now, next thing you want to do in here is customize with your own settings. For example, under name, we can type something like, for example, I'm going to call it Fixed by Shaq, and then subscribe. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you find my content useful. And there we go. The name of the AirPods now are Fixed by Shaq. Subscribe. Every time I open it up, it's going to ask whether I want to connect to this specific set of AirPods. Now here we do have the listening mode, whether you want to keep it on transparent, adaptive, or even, for example, here, the noise cancellation feature, right? So you can change this, and then you've got the listening mode, enter call if you want to press 1 to enter the call, tap to unmute or simply end the call, and a lot more settings in here. So you want to customize all these according to your preferences in here, so you can actually customize your brand new AirPods because they're now brand new and they belong to you, right? Now, just for smoothness and for convenient purposes, I would recommend after changing settings on your iPhone, for example, we've just linked a new pair or a new set of AirPods, I would recommend you guys to perform a forced restart on your iPhone. This basically simply restarts your iPhone, rebooting by completely turning it off from its power supply and then restarting. Do not worry, this doesn't delete anything. It just recalibrates your iPhone and then makes it process much smoother every time you change a few settings in here. Now, since we've connected a new device, we want it to be very smooth and convenient. So every time you pick up the earphone, put it in your ear, it's going to quickly react and respond to it. So if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, all the way to iPhone 17, simply rapidly tap on volume up and then down and press and hold the power button. This is how it goes. 1, 2, press and hold the power button. Keep on pressing the power button for a couple more seconds, probably 7 to 8 seconds. Keep on pressing it until you see the Apple logo on your screen. I'm still pressing the power button, and once you see the Apple logo, simply release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally, right? Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus in here, you do not need to mess around with the volume up or down or anything. All you want to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo and then release both of the buttons combination. Now, if you do have a much older device with the physical home button in here, all you want to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now, please note that on much older iPhones, such as an iPhone 4 or 5, the power button is located here at the top. So you'll have to press and hold the power button at the top along with the physical home button in here. Press and hold both of the buttons until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release your keys combination to let your iPhone turn on normally. This is how easy it is to force restart after changing a few settings on your iPhone. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.